Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute cookie. So you can see that I'm using my yellow orange colored pencil to draw a cute cookie. Now I'm using my brown pencil. To draw its eyes, I'm using my black pen. It has tiny eyebrows. Now I'm drawing some chocolate chips with my brown pencil. I'm using my yellow-orange color again to draw a big mouth of it. Inside its mouth, I'm using my red pencil. I'm doing the coloring with the yellow-orange colored pencil. To make it cuter, I'm using my pink pencil. Now I'm using my brown pencil. To draw its hands, I'm using my black marker pen. It's giving a thumbs up. Here's its legs. I'm using my pencil to draw a shadow. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.